All right, so one of the other projects that I got going on is one that technically I've already finished. Well, no, let me take that back. I have not finished it, but I started on it, and that is the laundry room slash utility room. So when we bought this house, all this floor here was concrete and pink carpet. It was absolutely disgusting. So one of the first things I did was pull out that carpet, put down some new flooring. This is like a laminate flooring, probably not the most ideal for a room that can have water in it, but we just wanted to freshen it up. It was cheap. Tack some trim on the walls, just give it a nice clean look, and put the new washer and dryer in here. So going down the road, you can actually see this door does not seal very well at all. I can actually feel quite a cool breeze coming in, and the exterior walls here are not insulated at all. So going down the road, what we're gonna end up doing is obviously insulating all these walls, hopefully sealing some of these holes off. We might replace that door altogether. I really like the fact that it lets a lot of natural light in. Otherwise, this would be a quite dark and gloomy space. But we've also got the well and well pump, hot water heater, water softener, all that kind of good stuff in here. So thinking what we'll do is put some drywall up on there after we insulate, kind of give it a more finished look, or as finished as it can be. So this would be laundry room, utility closet, and I think going down the road, we've got a ton of space going up. So we might end up stacking the washer and dryer and then putting a sink. That way, if we're coming in from the back, it can be kind of used as a mudroom. Also, I would really like to put my networking gear back here, build a shelf up here to put all that on. So that is one of the projects that we have, already started, already broken ground on. So with that one, I will post updates as we are doing things.